complete deafening silence. Frankly, I have reached the point कि मैं सन्नाटे से भी मुझे कोई वो शिकायत नहीं। आप पूछिए तो सही, आप ड्यूटी बाउंड है, ये सरकार ड्यूटी बाउंड है कि रूल ऑफ लॉ, सैंक्टिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ, इसको प्रोटेक्ट करें। द राइट टू लाइफ, द राइट टू इक्वालिटी आर आर फंडामेंटल राइट्स। कितनी शर्म की बात है कि आज राइट टू लाइफ जो नॉन निगोशिएबल है, उसके लेकर हम कह रहे हैं सरकार से कि आप कुछ कीजिए। और वो हम अपना, दिस इज आवर राइट एज सिटीजन्स, वी डिमांड आवर राइट फ्रॉम देम। इन्होंने कसम खाई थी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पर उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने की। दे आर ड्यूटी बाउंड टू प्रोटेक्ट द लाइव्स ऑफ सिटीजन्स and they are failing in their duty, and it is we who are reminding them of that and demanding that they take action, and that is why we are here. I'm also asked one thing: what do you hope to achieve by this? And I don't know, I really don't know. I had just written this, what I had written on Facebook. I write a lot of things. But yes, over the past 3 years, there's been a massive sense of disquiet, anger, mounting anger, and a great deal of worry. ये हो क्या रहा है? जर्द पत्तों का बन जो मेरा देश है, दर्द की अंजुमन जो मेरा देश है. That this is not the India I want. And then I read about Junaid, 16 साल का बच्चा. It could be our son. He is our son. And I couldn't sleep that night. I was just crying and I wrote what I did. क्योंकि एक इंतजार था, कोई तो प्रोटेस्ट करे और हम उनके साथ आए, कोई तो प्रोटेस्ट करे, कोई तो सड़क पे आए और हम उनके पीछे खड़े हों. तो अगर नहीं पीछे वही आएंगे आप, तो हम खड़े हो जाएंगे. हम और गए बाहर. और मेरे लिए जो आउटकम है वो ये है, आप लोग हैं. और जो देश भर में 16 शहरों में ये स्पॉन्टेनियसली जो प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है, दिस इज आवर ग्रेटेस्ट अचीवमेंट ऑफ दिस कैंपेन. हमने कुछ नहीं किया है, हमने सचमुच में क्या किया है. हमने एक आवाज उठाई और इतनी सारी आवाजें हमारे साथ मिल गई. तो हम एक धारा का हिस्सा है. आप सबका स्वागत है. आज हमारे साथ पहलू खान की फैमिली और जुनैद की फैमिली, वो हमें ज्वाइन करने वाले थे. हाँ, लेकिन जो इमीडिएट फैमिली है वो मुझे पता चला है कि वो नहीं आ रही है. क्योंकि कल रात को जुनैद की फैमिली में से जो कोई है, जो आई विटनेस है, उसको इंटिमिडेट किया गया, उसको पुलिस थाने बुलाया गया. और जब वो वापस घर जा रहा था तो ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल अटैक्ड हिम एंड चेज्ड हिम. He was saved by the pradhan of another village. So similarly, apparently a similar incident of intimidation happened with Pehlu Khan's family. तो लेकिन हम बहुत शुक्रगुजार हैं कि पहलू खान और जुनैद के गांव से वहां के लोग आए हुए हैं. आप सबका स्वागत है. और आप हमारा संदेश जो है, जो अपने गांव ले जाएं और उनके परिवारों को कहें. हमें बहुत अफसोस है, हमें बहुत अफसोस है. हमें अफसोस है उनकी मौत का, और हमें इस चीज का भी अफसोस है कि हम कुछ नहीं कर पाए. जो पहलू खान थे वो हमारे भाई थे, जुनैद हमारा बच्चा. हम आपके दुख में शरीक, आप अकेले नहीं. और हम शायद पहलू खान, जुनैद, मोहम्मद अखलाक और बाकी औरों को तो मौत के मुंह से नहीं बचा पाए, लेकिन अबॉर्ड ने, नॉट इन माई नेम, अबॉर्ड. मैं गुजारिश करूंगी आप सबसे कि 2 मिनट का हम सब मौन रखें as a mark of respect to the departed.
मेरे साथ जो संकट रहता है मिस्टर सलीम कुमार और तबले पे कुलदीप मिश्रा जी हैं और हारमोनियम पे राम अवतार है और मेरे साथ जो गाएंगे दत्ता भोग तानपुरे पे आमिर। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जय, वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जय, पीर पराई जाने। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जय, पीर पराई जाने। पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए, मन अभिमान ना पानी रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेरे कहिए जय, पीर पराई जाने। सकल लोक सहुने बंदे, सकल लोक सहुने।
Right. So you saw the event is still going on. A lot of people are still joining, and there have been amazing response. I don't think any one of us would have expected these many people to come up. I'm joined by my former BBC colleague, now the resident editor of The Hindu, Amit Barua. Amit, you have worn the black armband, and you are also saying "not in my name." Do you think we have reached a stage where enough is enough?
I think that stage was reached a while ago, and I think this initiative, what we've seen, is a citizens' initiative, a people's initiative, and the message is loud and clear that the government must act as a government of all citizens, that this country belongs to everybody, and that if any violations of the law take place, the police and the law and order machinery must act without fear or favor. There will be incidents in this country given its diverse nature, but I think that this sense of insecurity that people feel, I think that's an issue which needs to be addressed immediately by the Modi government.
There have been a lot of criticism from Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, that the person who is so prolific on social media, quick to comment on anything, like goings on internationally, but he hasn't commented on any incidents of public lynching, which in most cases have been committed by the supporters of his ideology or the party that he heads. What do you have to say on that?
Well, I think that, of course, the political class is responsible, but equally the law and order machinery, the police, they are bound to uphold the rule of law. They are paid to uphold the rule of law by all the taxpayers that are gathered here. So I think that while it is the responsibility of the political class, it is equally the responsibility of the police and the civil administration to ensure that law and order prevails, and that if there are any violations, the strictest action is taken.
And do you think this protest, one of its own kind, I say, is going to have any impact on, the attitude of the government?
Well, I don't know about that. I think that there are a large number of people in this country who feel that what is happening is wrong. What is happening is something very painful, as you could hear from what Sabha Diwan said, that there's a genuine feeling of upset, and also among some people a sense of helplessness that all this continues to happen. So I think yes, we are at a stage where people who voted this government in, they feel that they've been shortchanged, some of them, and my sense is that the need to send a message loud and clear must come from the top.
Well, you've been a veteran journalist yourself. Where do you see, what do you see the role of the media should be? I mean, do you think we as a fraternity have let down, by not raising the issues enough?
Well, I think I would not, the media, like any other institution, is a very varied institution. So I would not like to paint everyone in the same color, but it is a fact that the television channels that you and I know about, they have done no service to this country. They have actually participated in raising the levels of rhetoric to a very high level, and they have provided ammunition to zealots. So I think there's no doubt in my mind that a wide section of the media has done an immense disservice to this country, an immense disservice to the narrative, to the politics of this country. No doubt about that.
Thank you very much. We'll keep coming back to you. The people are still joining in, and we'll take a break now and come back to you in a short while. Thank you very much.